Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. We asked a doctor if drinking more water can actually boost your energy. Drinking plain water can actually increase energy levels, even before you feel thirsty. Mild dehydration, 1 to 2% of body weight, can slow blood flow, reduce oxygen delivery, and interfere with neurotransmitter function, leading to fatigue and sluggishness. Drinking water helps restore blood volume, support neurotransmitter balance, and improve oxygen delivery, resulting in a measurable boost in energy levels. Dehydration can also increase stress hormones like cortisol, leading to a higher stress response. Staying hydrated helps lower these stress signals and supports a calmer, more stable mood. Dehydration disrupts efficient circulation, oxygen delivery, and cellular function, all of which are essential for energy production. Even mild dehydration can shift the body into a lower energy state. The takeaway is that drinking water can sometimes restore clarity and stamina, not just quench thirst, by addressing the underlying effects of dehydration on the body and brain. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak